Hey guys, the wife and I decided that the weather was just too crappy, and we decided we were going to come to Hawaii and relax and have some time here. And oh man, what a wonderful day this is! Oh, you know what? Maybe not. Today, Master Outdoors and I are going to go do some rabbit hunting. And yeah, I wish we were in Hawaii, but oh well.
What's the temperature here right now?
Yeah, the temperature today is somewhere around 20 degrees, I would guess. But it's perfect for rabbit hunting. So we're going to head on out, and hopefully we will have some luck today. As you can see, we did get a little more snow. Maybe 2 or 3 inches. Not a lot. You can see everything here still buried. Tractor did a great job keeping the driveway all cleaned up with Master Outdoorsman piloting it. Did a great job with that. So, okay, we're gonna have some luck today.
Hope so.
All right, we're gonna head on out. All right, we got a few tracks here, looking good. All right, we're gonna see if we can rustle something up here. Yeah, one of the best places to find rabbits is anything that's fallen down, like these branches and parts of trees. You just give them a kick, and if there's a rabbit there, it's going to go running out. They get scared pretty easy. So what we do is just kind of walk along looking for places where they can hide. If you see tracks, you definitely know you're in a good area then. So like this big bunch here, just give it kind of a kick, and you have to watch all around it to be sure nothing comes running out. Not a lot of tracks in this area, but sometimes there are rabbits. So we'll keep trying here. So Master Outdoorsman's using a 20 gauge Smith & Wesson semi-automatic Model 1000 that his grandfather gave him some years back. It's a great gun. Alright, so far nothing, but we've just started. Alright, so we're looking for rabbits in the pine trees here. Sometimes they hang out in the pines. You can see some tracks going in and out of here, so there's a bird. Sounded like a mourning dove. Good tracks here. Alright, might get some luck around here. Alright, so we're here in the area where we piled up all these big bushes we pulled out of other areas of the property, and let's just see if it's holding any rabbits today. A lot of tracks around it, that's for sure. There are rabbits in here, we just got to try to get them out. Yeah, one of the problems with this spot is there's a big hole in the middle of this the rabbits can hide in, so if they don't run out, they run to that hole. So looks like no luck right now. Definitely a perfect day for rabbit hunting. The sun's out, no wind, just quiet as can be out here. Remember this bush, guys? I think it'll be just fine right here, I think is what I said. Still is. Alright, so down in here is what we call like a thicket or a hollow. Kind of drops off down into some bushes. And we've got one.
It's right there. Straight out.
Okay, I don't see it.
See next to that tree right there?
Yeah?
Bottom, down at the bottom of that tree to the left.
Okay.
There's a little bush. It's at the base of that bush.
Alright, so we finally got one on here. I don't see it myself, but I'm going to keep the camera pointed where he told me it was. And see what happens here. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I did see it. I still see it. It's in the middle of those bushes. Alright, looks like he got a shot off. I don't think he hit it. It was still going when I saw it, so there's more in here. We'll have to see. Yeah, it gets really thick in here, so let's see if we can find this guy in here. Alright, so one thing we do know is on the other side here where this rabbit came, there's a big hole, rabbit hole. He could be in here. Could have got in that hole and we probably won't see him again, so we're going to keep looking. We're going to go around the outside of this. See what we can find. If there's one, I'm sure there's more. Alright, so we got his tracks here. He found his the wad from the shot. Definitely know which way he went now. But it looks like he got away. Alright.
Down in the thick, thick brush.
Yep.
At least I saw one.
Yeah. Yeah, if you guys take a close look at this, you can see where his shot came through. All the stuff on the snow here was from his pellets. And then right over there, if you look close, you can see where the pellets hit in the snow. Alright, we're going to continue on, see if we can find another one. Alright guys, well, we had 2 shots at 1 rabbit, so I guess that's better than nothing. Got some pictures to show you from the SD cards off of the cameras. And Master Outdoors and I, we're going to head to Hawaii here. Let's
go back.
So as you can see in the background, you can get some nice scenery. You can get these clothes off and go jump in the water.
Can't wait.
Alright. Thanks for watching.